What you guys are taking a look at, this is the Thermaltake Level 10 GT. Yes, we do have the level 20s. I do not care for the level 20s. I never have. Now, this case is old. This case is actually secondhand. However, the reason why I love this case actually fits a 4090. However, it looks huge, right? Well, it is and it's not. That is the standard for you. So yeah, it's not really that big inside. Does look like it, but the 4090 barely fits in here. This actually had my computer in it beforehand, and my buddy ended up breaking my Fractal Meshify C side panel when we were cleaning it out, because, well, you can see he hasn't cleaned out this PC because this thing is hefty. However, one nice thing about this case, it does have a carry handle. I am not going to pick it up at any time soon. So, yeah, let's dig into this monster and get the PC parts changed out.